Welcome back to Design Guy. Ready to see how easy it is to separate a subject from any background? Click Create, select Custom Size 300 by 300 pixels, then find a photo to use. Click Ports, select Photo, then browse to find a suitable image in the gallery. Set this image as the background. Next, click Edit to proceed with your changes. Select Magic Grab from the Image menu. Use Magic Grab to remove one of the objects by selecting it carefully. Once removed, drag and move the selected object to a new position as desired. This allows you to edit and rearrange elements easily within your image. Move the object and rename it as needed. This demonstrates how to use Magic Grab. You can reposition it to lock it in place, helping align elements more accurately. Try to match the positions carefully for better results. You can delete this image here to remove it from the background. Try adding more elements using Magic Grab for the background. These are the elements that can be removed. For the background, click again. Use the brush to fully remove the person. Then select Magic Wrap and remove the remaining parts. Now, the person is completely removed from the background. Click Delete to remove the extra person, leaving two in the image. Then, click Download to save it. Increase the size for better quality before clicking Download. Now you know how to lift subjects with Canva Magic Grab like, and subscribe for more quick design tips.